we are finally at MomoCon. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey, I'm Patricia, and today's video is going to be super exciting. As you guys can tell from the title, it's going to be a MomoCon vlog. Okay besties, get in, because we're going to an anime convention. This is my second time going to MomoCon ever, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. And I'm gonna be cosplaying Chopper from One Piece during the arc that we're in now, which is Egghead. So yeah, let's get into it. I started my day off bright and early at 9:30 a.m, took a shower, and then started doing my makeup. I did my regular beat, just like color corrected my acne scars, put foundation, eyebrows, blush, all that jazz. And I honestly love the way my makeup came out. It came out looking so good. Now it's time to do my hair. I started off doing my edges, oiled my scalp, put some mousse, and I started braiding it because I wanted to do pigtails. This is the top. This is just like a workout top that I got from Amazon, but I like painted it yesterday with like fabric paint, which was low-key harder than expected. I should have did it like at least a couple days before the con, but I did it the night before, but you know, it's okay. So yeah, this is like workout attire. That's why I'm wearing a sports bra underneath. So I know I had like braids in my hair, but I took it out. I didn't like how it looked, so I'm going with like this vibe. And the bottoms, they're just like blue biker shorts. I literally have like so many different blues on in this outfit. This is like a bright neon, this is like a calm neon, and then these are like a light blue. And then the hat is like, I guess it kind of matches. The hat don't match either, but yeah, I'm gonna get dressed and I'll be back. So this is how the top half is looking. As you can see, I have various different blues going on, and I did change my sports bra underneath just because I felt like black looked better. But yeah, let's get into the fit. Okay. And I got like these pink knee-high socks, and then I'm gonna wear these like Egghead shoe covers kind of thing that I got from Mint Costume. And then the hat, it low-key makes me look crazy, like, but it's okay, you know, it's alright. Very much DIY because I didn't really see much Chopper Egghead cosplays available. This is just a workout jacket that I got from Amazon, painted over with fabric paint, biker shorts from Amazon. The hat I bought from Amazon. Again, oh my god, everything's from Amazon besides like these little boot covers. Okay you guys, so David and I are ready. I got my little Chopper bag, all my stuff, like my wallet, deodorant. David is being Chopper too because I had an extra. I totally forgot that I already had one of these from DreamCon last year. So literally I bought another one and I was like, what the fuck, didn't I return that? But I guess I didn't. And same as the hat. So David's being like a guy Chopper and I'm being a girl Chopper. And yeah, I got like my deodorant in here, cameras, chapstick, stuff to like reapply my makeup, all that, like, you know, everything you need for a convention. And we are ready to go. And hopefully I can buy a Chopper plushie there. I hope there's at least one. Hey guys, so we are finally at MomoCon. Yo, parking, it took forever for us to get parking, but we finally found it. It was only $30, and yeah. We are here. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so we are at the artist alley right now. It's mad packed. I didn't know MomoCon get down like that because I feel like 2 years ago when we came, it wasn't that crazy as it is right now. And David's chopper. Show me your feet. Go, go, go. Okay. There's literally so much cool cosplays and it makes me want to like go harder next year. Oh my god. There's so many different versions. Wait, how much do these cost?
Luffy one.
Luffy?
Oh, that's Sanji.
You guys, the one thing I want from this convention is a chopper plushie. And I just found one for like $45, but I don't know if I'm willing to spend that. So I'm gonna like wrap around, I'm gonna come back. They got manga, they got Skip B, One Piece. Okay, so we are on our way to Taylor's booth. And if you don't know who Taylor is, she is my senpai. And yeah, that's my girl.
It's gonna be $32.67. Get up here!
Look.
Let's dance! Let's dance!
Okay, you guys, so we just filmed like a little TikTok and it was so embarrassing to dance in front of people, but it's okay. And babe, this is so cute. $60? Yeah. Anya, wait, why do I want it though? All these, oh my goodness.
You gonna get a chopper?
I think, okay, can I get the chopper hat? I'm like, and you're black girl, I gotta support, come on now. I'll be damned if I walk away.
Are you Patricia?
Yeah. Come on now. Oh, not with, you can literally cut me, please, please. Oh,
No, we real spontaneous
Ooh.
over here.
period. So we are at the One Piece meetup, and y'all, like, the One Piece people, they went crazy. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Okay, Robin.
Hold on.
Hold on.
I got a little.
Ooh. Just slap the out of me at this point. Yeah. Slay.
Bobby.
Oh, he's vibing.
Hello? Bobby.
He said, I'm not Bobby today. It's Luffy. Okay, you guys, so I know before we was at the One Piece meetup, that was hectic, but you know, I loved it. I ate every second of it, but now we're out here. You guys get to meet my One Piece Egghead crew, okay? Look how, look!
Hey, chopper with it. Or maybe, yeah, I'll go forward. And then Fiona. Yeah!
Okay guys, so we're like taking photos right now, and then I'm taking photos of my cute little chopper, and it's hot as f. Just say that. Guys, so we just left MomoCon and I'm literally starving. I only had like one chicken tender today and some fries, so we're munching on some sushi. We got flaming joy roll, super crunch roll, and tempura roll. Hi you guys. Okay, so I realized in the last clip I probably didn't even explain like why I changed my outfit and all that. I really just showed like us eating after the convention. So I ended up changing my outfit after the convention because David and I had to go to a friend's art exhibit. Our friend Kaylin, she's a photographer, a very talented photographer at that. And yeah, her event started at 7 and it was 2:10. And then we got there at 8 and we just hung out there until 10. And I know MomoCon is a 4-day event, but I only bought Saturday tickets. So this was only a Saturday MomoCon vlog. Sorry for those who wanted more, but you will get more for Anime Weekend Atlanta that's coming up in December. I know tonight they had like trap sushi, that little party thingy going on. It sounded cool, but I was like, you know, I want to go and support my friend. Yeah, maybe I'll hit up trap sushi during Anime Weekend if they come. But yeah, overall I feel like this MomoCon it was kind of overwhelming, but I did enjoy myself like to the absolute fullest. I actually met a few of you guys, supporters. So if you did end up coming up to me and saying, hey, I really appreciate it, it literally made my entire day. I'm pretty sure you could tell by my face, I was smiling so hard like throughout the entire day. And then I was able to meet some online mutuals for the very first time, and that was cool too. And yeah, and did my first like big group cosplay, which is so much fun. I definitely want to do more of those in future conventions. And I wanted to show you guys what I got from the artist alley, which isn't much, you guys. I'm not one of those people that go too crazy at the artist alley. So I got two stuff. The first one I'm pretty sure you guys saw. Ta-da! So this is a little chopper and it was $25 and it's just so cute and little and I love it. And I was carrying it throughout the convention for a good bit, and then I put it away because I was like, I don't want to lose this because you know it's so small. But yes, Tony Chopper came home with me. And then the second item is another like chopper related item. Okay, when I went to Taylor's booth, my senpai, favorite senpai, I saw that she was wearing this hat and I was like, oh dang, that's so cool. So when I was walking around, I saw the same hat like at a stand and I was like, I need that. And then I ended up finding out that that person was roommates with Taylor previously. So I was like, okay, come on girl, I need to support you, okay? I need to support black businesses, black young businesses. So that's what I did. I got this cute little chopper crochet hats. And this is my first time trying it on. I don't want to get makeup on it, oh my God. It's actually so cute. I can go like this too. Ooh, and then it got the hooves. It got chopper hooves. This is so cute. Okay, I think I got her business card too. So I'm gonna put her stuff here. And this is her business card. Cannon Buds, the land of handmade ruffle hats and pop culture inspired merch. And she is such the cutest person ever. Oh my goodness. And they're Cannon Buds on all social media platforms. My goodness. So go and support your girl, okay? But this is so cute. And this is like $60. Yeah, this was $60 and this is $25. So I spent $85 today. And that wasn't too bad, like in my book. So that is everything that I got from the Artist Alley today. I thoroughly enjoyed myself today. Honestly, I hope I recorded enough. I feel like I was in the moment for a good bit, but I would like to hope that I did record enough and you guys got the whole like feel of it. And I'm not gonna lie, like MomoCon this year, it was pretty good. I remember the last time me and David went, it was like 2022. And there was a reason why we didn't come back. Like I remember something happened, but not like remembering exactly what it was. But I remember thinking to myself, okay, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna come back to MomoCon. But this time around, we just wanted to check it out. And honestly, I had a lot of fun. Like it seemed like such a big convention that it was almost on the level of Anime Weekend. But I think the main difference was, you know, at Anime Weekend, there's drinks, there's more adult vibes, and MomoCon is definitely kid friendly. Like there was a lot of kids there, and they look so cute, by the way, like in their little cosplays. Love that. But yeah, I'm glad we decided to come and check it out this year, even though it was just for Saturday. I honestly cannot complain. And then after that, we got some amazing sushi that hit like 10 out of 10, and then supported my friend, you know, with her artist exhibition. So I love that. Honestly, today couldn't have gone any better. What time is it? It is 11:40 and your girl, I'm tired. I feel like my makeup looks so bad because it's been such a long day. So I'm gonna like unwind, take my makeup off and get into bed and just be like a little rat and curl up in a ball and watch some shows or read some manhwa and then go to sleep. But yeah, if you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and see you guys in next week's video. Bye.